Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi S4 front bumper. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal right away. Gather basic tools like ratchets, Torx bits, trim tools, and a panel clip remover. Work slowly to avoid breaking clips and set fasteners aside in labeled containers. I will guide you through bumper removal steps in clear, easy chunks so you can follow along safely. Start by carefully prying off trim pieces and the grille using a plastic trim tool to protect paint. Open the hood and remove the upper fasteners, holding the bumper cover to the radiator support. Locate and disconnect fog lights and parking sensors by depressing each release tab and noting connector orientation. Keep removed hardware organized and label where each fastener belongs so reassembly is straightforward and painless. Safely lift the front of the car and support it on jack stands so you can access the wheel wells. Remove the wheel liners and the lower splash guard fasteners to reveal the bumper mounting bolts and clips. Double-check that all electrical connectors are unplugged and any hidden screws are removed. With one person guiding each side, compress the side clips and pull the bumper cover straight off to avoid bending tabs or cracking paint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.